Welcome to the Purdue Extension Marion County Demonstration Garden, proudly located on the Indiana State Fairgrounds. Each year, during the Indiana State Fair, this garden welcomes around 15,000 fairgoers, offering them a glimpse into the world of innovative gardening and award-winning plants. Here we blend beauty with education in our All-America Selections display garden. This prestigious designation means that we showcase the best of the best award-winning plant varieties that have been tested and proven to thrive in our region. Our vegetable garden highlights practical techniques for growing a bountiful harvest in an urban setting, while our ornamental gardens highlight beautiful plant combinations and planting techniques. What makes this garden truly special is that it's planned, planted, maintained, harvested, and presented entirely by our dedicated Purdue Extension Master Gardener volunteers. These passionate individuals bring their expertise and commitment to every aspect of the garden, ensuring that it thrives and continues to inspire. From the initial design to the ongoing care, our volunteers are hands-on every step of the way. They meticulously plan the layout, select plant varieties, and manage all garden activities, creating a vibrant and educational experience for all who visit. Education is at the core of our mission. Through interactive workshops and expert demonstrations, we provide valuable insights into every aspect of gardening, from soil health to pest control, empowering our community to create thriving gardens of their own. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the Purdue Extension Marion County Demonstration Garden at the Indiana State Fairgrounds. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, we hope you find inspiration and joy in our All-America Selections display garden. Come visit us and experience the magic for yourself. Visit us on Facebook and Instagram for updates on plant performance and upcoming events in our garden. See you in the garden.